Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Khasi Students Union North Khasi Hills District Unit rengkat kinong yalam ka Education Cell ka KSU Central Body haka khandai trek unailar arjar khat khandai kila lek ban yakendu yo Chancellor ka University of Science and Technology ka badon ha Killing Ribhoi District na ka banta ban yakren halor shibon kimat baga seng ka phai khmat na ka banta ki samla pule ka jilla baki dei ban yo jing mentoi na ka tei ka University ka badon ha ka jilla Meghalaya. Hagani ke jingle yakendu yo Chancellor ka USTM la senran lang da U.M. Hawk u President ka KSU North Khasi Hills District u samla Ferdinand Karkamni u Assistant Secretary ka KSU Education Cell na ka Central Body u samla Penshai Rani bat kid khot nong yalam ka Sengkme bat na ka Ribhoi District. Yakani ke jing yakendu lang la pelong ha Conference Hall jong ka tei ka school ba ha ka baki nong yalam ka Seng KSU ki la pen sngo halor shibon ki jing don kam na ka banta ki khon samla gari. Kabah khmat jong kani ke jing dawa kalong bandawa na katai ke skul ba ya kabah kerpang jong ki samla pule ke jela bagi dei ban yolat ban lek pule ha katai ke skul ba.
So kemen pat main keduk dari section ya ki samla pule hot kadi ka kabae la dangi adjust ke condition jong sun benang jong ka tin ke telit bat shibun ki ke andre ngakwa ban motivate ni pisia jinge borok bu student kan mau ya ka jingwan thong ngajung phi kade ba pinla man pidap ha ye jipule nang de ba pilek pat situai ki university ben pidap ya ka post graduate ngajung phi ba ka kibok kriang ye phi iwei pai wei rang le khamba shu kidon kidono kidon kam ban kendu yangi yen sa ayu pun number nak post por ngila ban kendu ipi ba haju por ka jiwan kendu jungi mitasri yo director jo kares ba chancellor jo ka USTM kadi halor bagi kuat mentip benia ba kani ka USTM kumno ka function hoi ngila tip spang kades ka affiliated ya kanihu bagi kuat mentip spang ka USTM haden bangila tip lo ba khoi lo sidong ki kuat ru ba ki kuata lani ki policy ba di college ka university kairap ya ki samla pule jongi hoi kidon ki ong ba samla pule khasi jongi na po Meghalaya yo ya ka free education Jadi sawat ni asyuk buat minamla pengnangi kaseng bagin tip iki baro taringi ko amat tip ifiru iwei pa iwei ba kumno kalong kan university bar ngimla bar snap tang nak wei sur ko sap baro kisur kamtam ki parado prasna muji kajing kemu kabanding kong kabangiwan ini ka university kabanang ngani ka jaka kalong ban kena ba dikena jungi jadi banyo bandung kelas ngani ka jaka amar kumbangi nakaliang jong ka lihu halor ka Islam ni ka result ye kumta ki khna jing bun di bak kumar banwat admission ye kumta nak leng jing sofia nam ta ki parado prasna jing badang kwa ban puli kham sejerong ye nak ta daw yo mani kendu ki bot penya jing ka USTM yo chancellor jing ka university ban dawa nu ba umdi ban kantat khna jing ban yo puli ni ka jaka bat ka bakongsan hi kalong bat ka bakongsan ka bangi kwa na kum kaseng hi kalong ba khna jing bahkan di universiti kadi ban kham ai katakanlah iki samla trai nomor kembang sutu bat kembang tip bahkan di ke universiti kadon apok ka jala jeng kadon apok kenduk siap jeng bat kamdan ni bat ki beta bat kabar kabang wan hang ni kalong ba in dawa na u chancellor kalong ba ban pendam no ya kentian ka ba ila kumbak lakho hang ti po ka surap hajing sa kadi tirot sing ring kelapan mi ban ki penmi ban da kerteng sing ka bomut kinmi ban da sing punjab ingim kwa ba ya kerteng jong khawat jong kajat beri juni ban supenlong khala ha ki jing tho ring kwa ba ka kerteng jong siam juni kadi ban long ka bapura bat ka kena nakaliang jong chancellor po ka jing kadan ban ni kalong ba nakaliang jong long balokoloi ban dilam ya ki samla puli ya ki trai di juni lagi bawan nakanu ka ban benta jong ka jela juni ba idi ban baun pediang iki bakin yo orang ban pulih kini gajaka bat kawiru ka ba kham sotanat bah ka jing kerpat na kilong ni kalong ba idi ban pediang ban ai ka free education nam ta ki samla nani nam ta kita samla pulih wan na kilong yen ba duna ka jing yo.
They have uncovered different issues and especially concerned for the education, higher education of the state of Meghalaya. They are asking questions about how many students from the state of Meghalaya and we have shown the entire growth, the large number of students. I have given one example of B.Ed. We have 100 seats where 88 students from the state of Meghalaya. So it is based on the demand that if we consider the total number of students in this university, certainly the majorities are from the state of Assam. Assam is the biggest state, and therefore we have the second largest number from the state of Meghalaya. We have two institutions here. One is RIST, Regional Institute of Science and Technology, which is the part of NEHU, affiliated to NEHU and approved by All India Council of Technical Education, where 38% from the state of Meghalaya are studying at RIST, and nearly 22% students right now. After enrollment, this percentage will increase. Right now, 22% students from the state of Meghalaya studying in this university. And the students are showing outstanding result in different competitive examinations from the state. Recently, we have introduced BA Administrative Service course, which has been designed to nurture the student for the civil service examination. Among 45 students, 10 students came from the state. And therefore, in the coming days, I hope this number will grow and grow. The exodus of the students from the other state for higher education like Maharashtra and other states, I think it will be completely controlled and stopped after a few years, and students will be now realizing that better quality of education is available in our state, and USTM is providing all such kind of services in terms of quality higher education. I hope in the coming days we'll be getting more and more number of students and will be able to provide the quality education. The last thing is that the students who have a fear that how we can go for higher education in a private university where fees is more. But in our case, any students from the state of Meghalaya, if they want to go for higher education, in our university, we are giving completely free education for them.